How to add border to video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut. Now click on the option New Project. Now select the video in which you want to add the border. Once selected, at the bottom you're going to find an option. Navigate to the option Overlay. Click on the option Add Overlay. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the background. So I'm going to select this yellow background. Once you have selected the background, what you have to do is you have to increase its size in this way. Now at the bottom, you're going to find an option. Head over to the option Mask. Click on it. Now select the option Rectangle. Click on the option Invert. Now you can easily customize this. Just customize the size of your video. Use the icons given at the right and at the top and customize your video size. Once you do that, you can customize the length of the background and your video is ready. So this way you can easily add border to video in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.